All right, it's grocery day. We're gonna see how far we can make $500 last. Let's go to Sam's Club. Almonds, $12.98. Yes, Vicky, $16.48. Hot fries, onions, $4.48 each. Takis pickle punch, $5.88. Mangoes, $6.88. 23 bucks for charcoal. Ooh. You don't need it though. 23 bucks. Too much.
And then we are celebrating.
Coke Zero. 20 bucks. Let me know if you like Diet Coke better in the comments. We're trying to just go once a month to these big stores, not go weekly. So the goal is to get everything we need in one place. Cowboy butter, MSG. Let me know how you think about MSG in the comments. You know, a lot of foods actually naturally contain MSG, like mushrooms. Olive oil, $16.98. Vegetable oil, $13.88. Barbecue sauce, $6.78. Check these out. Haven't seen these before, but we're not getting them. Capri Sun, $8.99. Bacon, $11.87. Zero sugar yogurt, $19.78. Sour cream, $5.54. Cheddar, $5.64. Get two of them. Hot dogs, $10.86. Red Baron 3-pack, $11.98. Chicken bites, $13.98. No, $3.56. String cheese, $7.87, $7.27. Chicken breast, $14.76. Baby backs, $19.11. Beautiful briskets. Little out of our price range today though. Look at these babies. Ribeye steak, $35.68. That's prime. Found this on sale. Can't beat that price. $5.96. Special cupcakes, $13.97. For a roll? I think so. Tempting, but not worth it right now with the Cyclospora. Cauliflower, $4.77. Mushrooms, $3.97. Bell pepper, $5.97. Skinless salmon, $26.23. Plus it's $1 off. Ground beef, $17.76. Hey there, cheese, $12.84 a pound. This is a pound. Tostadas, $2.34. Spanish wine, $7.74. Fresh crackers, $8.98. Stay for a bite. Oh my god, you're here. All right, now we gotta wait. Okay, we're a little under budget, so that's great. Put it all away and we'll break it down when we get home. All right, this is what $428.15 looks like for us. Let me know in the comments what it looks like for you. And do me a favor, hit that subscribe, give this one a like so I can see you again right here on Robbins Recipes.